Okay, step 6, let's sort our data. So at the moment, our data is all sort of in random order, right? Let's sort it in order of frequency. So I want to see dogs are, no, most people like dogs, and then other, and then it looks like horses and cats. Okay, so we move around. Now, I don't want to sort this first row of headings, and I don't want to sort that. I only want things to move around in these cells. So I'm going to select all of those cells. I'm then going to go to the Data tab, hit the Sort button, and let's sort by what column? We want to sort by the frequency. Percentage would also work, but let's do frequency. I want to sort on the values, and I want to sort from largest to smallest. Okay. There we go. So notice everything got sorted together. So the dog is the number 1, and then other, horse, cat, so on, in order of frequency.